Okay, so I haven't been able to get on here for a few days. Just been busy, and I didn't even trade for the last 2 days. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get on here and mark up some shit, and then we'll talk about the higher time frame narrative. Oh, am I, bro? I'm bricked. I'm bricked. I'm bricked. Help me out, bro. Okay. Okay. So let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, so both prices, bro. So over the last week and during this week, we've come up above the all-time high, and we've been creating new highs. So my constant bias is just going to be long for the moment. But why has this happened? So this happened because the Strait of Hormuz was reopened. So investors weren't fearing in the markets anymore, and actually had some. I don't know where this came from. This shouldn't have happened because the war isn't over, so to speak. It's just a ceasefire. So for some reason, investors are still, happy about this for some fucking reason. This is data for sure. 1:30 news yesterday, so we have data lows. The Asia session just dumped. These data lows just open. Let's check the news. Okay, so if Trump's fighting to try and keep the Strait of Hormuz clear, as you can see in this, his whole idea is just to keep it clear, so we don't have a stop lying, you fart. Yeah, that's what he says he's doing, right? God knows what he actually wants to do. Yeah, God knows what the fucking fool is doing. But you know, we're very diverged. We're very diverged right now. If you look at this price action and then you look at the Nasdaq's price action, Nasdaq has gone up, whereas the ES has just been chopping to the side. So, what does that mean? That means I'm pretty much expecting a manipulation down on the higher time frame, probably a daily manipulation egg. Yeah, because look at this chart, bro. Yeah, so I'm expecting to take out these relative equal lows. There you go. There's your 4-hour relative equal lows there. See, I don't want to trade during this because it's pretty fucking choppy. We have a bullish gap here that Nasdaq's reacting out of, and then we have a bearish gap right here which could be held. So it's like, I don't know. And that should be the previous daily, not previous weekly, previous daily high. this then? PDH. And then jump down on the 15 minute. We have the Asia high has just been taken. We have this London low. We have the London low here. And then we have an Asia low here. And then we have these relative equal lows. And this all-time high. ATH. And then let's jump off this, okay. Yeah, so it's a bit weird right now. Price action is a bit fucking strange right now. We're kind of just shopping. Yeah, honestly looking like we're kind of consolidating. Obviously we are consolidating on the ES, right? So we're accumulating. I think we're going to get moved lower today to take out those relative equal lows on the 4 hour. But then again, that being said, we are reacting out of a 4 hour gap on the Nasdaq, which is sending price somewhat higher. We get this big old wick, like this wick at the top of it, so it's not holding very nicely. Let's see what happened within this 4 hour. Okay, let's mark it out. We have a 4 hour bullish gap. Okay, so price came down, went above, came back, reversed higher. So we got a change in the state, somewhere here, break of structure, sweep the low out, internal low, and then reverse higher. So like this is a valid setup up to the high. This is like something I would have taken up to the high. I actually would have danked on that, but who cares? Break even. Looks like it would be a break even trade anyways, because ES already took out the Asia high. Let me mark it on as taken. So Asia high got taken there. We got a bit of a reaction out of it. Yes, looks like it wants to start going higher now. Out of this 15 minute. Yeah, so we're holding this 15 minute currently. 15 minute, bullish FEG. And it looks like price wants to go higher. We have this gap on the Nasdaq, so it's kind of a valid gap. Market is open, by the way, boys. Like, our market is open. A very slow open. And this was the open. I mean, not much volatility there, honestly. Yeah. I mean, daily profile just gives us. And then, I want to see when the midnight open was. Okay, so the midnight open was here. Yeah, we tapped the leg. This was the leg that we tapped. Fuck. Okay, we're just range mount today, honestly. I don't know if I should be even looking at this. I don't know if that will get anything, basically. I mean, this looks pretty fucking awful, in my opinion. We've got this 5 minute here. we have it on Nasdaq? Yes, we do. Yeah, we do, buddy. I'd want to see both indexes go inverse on that. We've just reacted out of a discount. Here to here. Have this range. Tap equilibrium. Same range on the NAS. We tap EQ and start shooting higher. Long would look like this. To the previous daily high, or to the Asia high in this case. I think we're looking for the PDH, and then we should probably rock it down off of that. If we're consolidating, then we'll probably hit the PDH and then give off a big old move down, or we react out of this top gap. But to me, it looks like we're rocking, going. That's a pretty expensive stop. I'm looking for about 1,000 on this. There's a devil's mark here, so that's a pretty strong draw. Ooh, see, I'm holding back because Nasdaq is just not looking good right now. That's a long wick. Get this off my fucking screen. Oops. Did not mean to do that. It's no like, it does look good on ES. It looks like we look good to go taking this. But, yeah, I don't know about this. Yeah, see, it just doesn't look that fucking good, you know? This is like an A+ long, pretty much. If we get this going inverse on Nasdaq, I'll take it. It's a pretty fucking good long. Oh my god, the contracts are so expensive though. Fuck my life. I need to figure out like my P&L, what I need. I think it was about 1,000 for a pass. Alright, this finally looks good. This is looking like a decent inversion too. We should have something on the 1 minute which tells us to get out a bit early. Okay, we have 1 minute gap or something. But yeah, we're about to run this. I'm gonna target the Asia high here. 14. I'm front running this 5 minute, by the way. Yeah, it looks good. Buy market. Stop loss. Break even is here. B. Target. I don't know. I think I should just target this high. What is it? Sell limit. We got a really nice entry as well, boys. Break even at this high and then hold up until the Asia high. I just need to figure out something, boys. I lost the funded, by the way, because of some internet bullshit. Don't worry about it. We're back on. We're just back on. We're back on activity. Target. Right, let's have a look. Remaining $896. Let's get the limit buy. So I can target exactly 900. Yeah. Just a bit above our BE point. Like there. I think at least. Yeah, because we're up like 400 here. Yeah, that should be it. Oh shit, this might actually end up holding. This gap here. I need to know if ES comes and takes this higher without me. But it shouldn't. I think the Nasdaq should go up for it first. Those relative equal highs. I would just sit here and be patient, basically. I mean, we can't really do much until shit is hit. Said I need $896. And I can't really edit this fucking position, like. But I'd want to see this keep displacing after this inverse. I don't want to see it give a retrace. Are we sure about this being correct? Yeah, my entry is here. 935, yeah, that's correct. I kind of want to be break even after this inverse because I don't think I want to see price coming back down. I want to see it just push to the highs. No top wick on ES. Fuck. We might be in this a lot longer than I want to be in it. And also, ES might just take out that fucking high without Nasdaq. Nasdaq's right there though. Go on, show me some love. Show a young white guy some love. No. Yeah, want to show me any love, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. Okay, well, it's a fucking good trade at least. Like, we're okay. Let's go over the trade just one more time for you guys. So we tap a 4-hour bullish gap. We see bearish, bullish market structure. We tap another 15-minute gap. Yeah, 15-minute. We tap a 15-minute bullish gap, and then we inverse on the 5-minute. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, I'm going to break even there. I want to see this shit just go up. Boom. There you go, boys. Target hit. Let's see. 6286. Our target was... What was our target again? 26251. 26286. Done. There you go. We're finished. We passed our count. GG's, boys. Very good. A+ setup.